Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. We have completed our first grammar lesson, sentences. Today, we can start our second grammar lesson, nouns. You are very much familiar with this topic. What is a noun? Yes, noun is a naming word. Everything in the world has a name. Those names are example for nouns. That means name of person, places, animals, things, or ideas are known as nouns. Look at this picture and the sentence. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. So here, Nikki is the name of a person, dog is the name of an animal, football is the name of a thing, and garden is the name of a place. Generally, nouns are divided into five: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Let's discuss these nouns in detail. Common noun. Common nouns are the names given to people, places, animals, or things in general. It represents a whole class of its kind. For example, boy, girl, teacher, dog, doctor, etc. So the word boy, we can use the word boy to represent all the boys, or the word teacher to represent all the teachers. Look at some more examples. He is a clown. Here, the word clown is a general name for the person. They live in a city. City is a general name for the place. It is his dog. Dog is a general name for the animal. This is a pastry. Pastry is general name for the thing. Proper noun. Proper noun is a particular or special name given to a person, place, animal or thing. A proper noun starts with capital letter. The names of festivals, days, months, books, holidays are examples for proper nouns. Example, Raju. Raju is the special name given to a boy. Jisha. Jisha is the name given to a particular teacher. So look at some more examples. Ricky is the name given to a person. Pluto is the special name given to an animal. That means a dog. Redford is a special name given to a place. Honda City is a name or the special name given to a car. That means a thing. John, the clown, entertains people in a circus. So here, John is the special name given to the clown. That means a person. They live in Mumbai. Mumbai is a special name given for a city. Collective noun. Collective noun is the name given to a group or collection of something. For example, an army of soldiers. Here, the word army is a collective noun used for a group of soldiers. A bouquet of flowers. Here, the word bouquet is the collective noun used for a group of flowers or a collection of flowers. Look at some more examples. A bunch of grapes. A flock of birds. A shoal of fish. A pride of lions. A swarm of bees. There is a fleet of ships in the sea. Fleet is the collective noun for ships. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are words that names ideas, concepts, qualities, then emotions, feelings that we can feel or think about but we cannot touch, see, hear, taste or smell. Example, happiness, beauty, angry, charity, freedom, strength, etc. Look at some more examples. In the given sentences, the highlighted words are abstract nouns. We have to get at the truth of the matter. Mary isn't the type of person who gossips. People lost faith in banks. She will defeat them. I was delighted at the news of her success. They laughed at my idea. Alex had a fear that he would fall down. She tried to restrain her anger. Don't underestimate your own strength. Material nouns. Material nouns are names given to objects or raw materials that exist in nature or created by human beings. Example: gold, water, silver, honey, etc. Look at some more examples. This ring is made of gold and diamond. I need some water. She likes honey. We have some textual activities related to nouns. I have attached all these pages under the title Text in our Google Classroom. Check it and complete the activities. We have something more to study related to nouns. That means countable and uncountable nouns, singular and plural nouns that we can discuss in the next class. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. The answer key of the previous test is included. Check your answers. The answer key of our textual activity is also included under the title Notes. Check your answers. Before that, all of you should complete the activities. Then check it. We can meet in the next class with the continuation of this topic. Thank you.